What's up guys, welcome back to Traction Garage. Today we're doing a very simple install on the Jeep JK. We're going to be putting in some blacked out turn signals that I got off eBay for like 15 bucks. It's a really good deal, nice little add-on. I think it's going to be a nice change on the blacked out Jeep and see how it looks. Video might seem out of order because it's an older video that I recorded. We got a lot of more upgrades on the Jeep now, but these turned out great. I thought I'd show you guys how they look, especially for a nice budget option. Let's get started. So I'll pop the hood. First thing we're gonna do to remove the grill is take off all these clips right here. I already started earlier, but it's pretty straightforward, just a couple clips. There's two more that I left just to show you guys how I'm gonna take them off. So just be very careful, just pop them out. Just don't break them. Okay, so there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips, and then this should just pop right out. It's up a little bit, just carefully, don't break it. And once it pops up, you could just pull it out, finger like that, and then you just slightly pop this one out as well, and voila. Okay, so there's a couple clips holding it. You want to be very careful not to break them. So there's one that's with the actual blinker housing, and then another one right here. As you can see, there's 4 clips right here that hold the grill as well. So now we gotta remove the bulb from it. So we just gotta take off this little thing right here. So you just push it, just push this up. So just like that with the flathead, just carefully, and then this, and out, just like that. Pretty straightforward. Just try to show you guys. So it just pops right back into these holes. When you pull the turn signal out, you just kind of squeeze it in. To either do with your hand or the flathead. There's like a little groove right here, so it pushes in or push it out. This groove right there. It's pretty simple. Putting the grill back on, pretty basic. You just want to make sure that the clips here, if you can see them, align perfectly, and just slightly push them in. They'll clip right in. Let me see, it was that one right there. And then these as well that are on the back, just push them in slightly, make sure they all pop in, and then I'm just gonna align the clips and just pop them right back in.